Hello and welcome back to another episode of Bish Bash Bodge, Restoration of the Fire, Phase 2. Bash Bodge! Now I've just started a little bit of work here just to get started. As you can see, I'm plugging in some holes. So here there was massive holes like gaping like this. I've got this, a fan messaged me and said maybe you should do this, Bodge. And he said, are you going to leave the bricks exposed like that with all those gaps? And you can see all these holes here. And so I said, no, actually, that's a great idea. Mr. Bob Owen, may I name drop you? Robbie Owen, welcome to Andover New Street. Semi-professional footballer, back of the net. And then I found some of this old fix and grout concrete and timber floors from when I tiled the bathroom with my mate Dave. So that's what I've got going on, and I've got to fill that hole up there. Now to fill that hole, I've got some paper bread bag. Right, so you just, what's this? Sliced Tiger Bloomer, love it. So you just rip this off like this. Oh, and there's still a little bit of bread in there. Don't mind if I do. Few days old, but that's the job.
I was using that for my sandwich.
Killed it. Absolute killed it. But I'll keep going anyway. Okay, so plug this, straighten that all up there. See that? That means I don't have to put so much filler in there. It's a bit old. Got something that's hard down there. Stinks up a good one. Get a nice liberal portion. And as you can see, just going to turn it for you. Scrape that in there like that. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is the first time I've done this, so it's going to be a bit messy. The job's a good one. I'm going to go from this brick here, fill that gap up there a little bit more. Just get more in there. We'll make a bricky out of Bodge in no time. So there we go. There we have it. Still got a few more, but it's not bad. Once it's got another lick of paint on it, it should be all right. So now I'm going to plug these holes. Bit of H&M bag there. Can do that now for you. So this, rip it up, get it stuck in that hole. Bit too much. There we are, another demonstration. Get me other tool. Bish bash, and you got it, Bodge. Bash Bodge.